Hello, everyone. Thank you for the presentation. This day is getting better and better. It's almost 4 o'clock and most of you are still here. Thank you. Where is the ticker? Okay, my name is Dumitru. I come from Fagura. We are building the first crowd lending platform in Moldova, aiming to become a community digital bank in the next years, where people can borrow, invest money, or transfer funds instantly. We are a validated platform. We have been active on the market for more than 4 years already. We're trusted by clients and figures speak for themselves. We have managed to intermediate since inception a loan portfolio of more than 4 million euro. And that is also thanks to my colleagues which are there in the backstage. Last year, we have identified a gap, a bottleneck, a huge problem for SMEs, for new startups which have been created in the last years. They cannot get funding for their ideas, for investing in startups. Why? Because their companies are newly created and unfortunately at the bank it's very hard to get a loan when you are new on the market. That's when we decided to launch lending for businesses, especially for SMEs. How does that work? We're verifying the founders, we're verifying all the public registries on one hand, and on the other side, the investors, seeing all the information we provide to them, decide whether that idea is good enough to be funded. Is anyone here working in creative industry, e-commerce, production? If you're doing automation, if you're doing digitizing processes, if you are developing a startup in the green economy, then the right place to get financing right now is at Fagura, because we put a lot of accent, especially on these priorities. We are very focused on ESG priorities, and we are very proud to be one of the institutions which support women in entrepreneurship. We have more than 100 SMEs that were already funded on our platform, and we are proud to say that 42% of these SMEs have as founders women. Of course, the trends which we see right now, online shops, e-commerce, digitization, green economy, are on the top of our priorities. How does that function? The founder of the SME is pitching on our platform. He needs about 15-20 minutes to provide us with the most important information about his investment idea, where does he or she wants to use the funds, and all this information is provided to our investors on the platform. We provide the scoring for each of the idea, and investors decide whether this startup, this idea deserves to be funded or not. In the end, what the SMEs get? They get funding, that means money. Now, by the way, we have a program of cashback 20%. They receive cashback 20%, which I can translate that you get money and you have to pay back exactly the same amount that you take, not more. SMEs get validation from the community because the community of investors, of course, funds the best ideas, first of all. SMEs get new clients, and in the end, they gain a huge experience which can be used in the future to administrate a bank credit. Organizers told me that there are going to be a lot of people with money here because they work in fintechs, they work in banks. So I have one great opportunity for those with 2 million euro in their pockets right now. We're looking for 2 million euros right now, which we have a great idea of how to transform this money in 12 million euro as impact for SMEs. That means supporting startups, boosting the local economy, and diversifying investment opportunities. If any one of you is interested in this, I'll be around the corner. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please. Thank you.